Let's go through equal to 221. Find triangle sum of array. For this question, to give us a triangle, and which is an integer array, and let's to sum this to be this, and these 2 and 3 sum to 5, and this number sum to here, and this number sum to here, and then after we have this, the new subarray, new array, we sum another layer to be 8 to 6, and then we sum 8 and 2 to be if it is greater than 0, we just get it to the last digits, and also this sum to 8, and the total sum to 8. So what for this question, we just simulate, do simulations, right? So how can we simulate this problem? Is that we need to have for example, the length, right? Have a length variable equals this num's length. When we'll see this length is decreasing to 1, right? And what we do is that we have this length for every nums I, it will add nums I plus 1, right? And we can add this num I and nums I plus 1, right? To every time we can create a new array which is the length, the previous length minus 1, right? And we set this to be new arrays I, right? But the thing is that actually we can reuse this, right? We don't need to create a new subarray. So we just use to store in the nums I the new arrays value, right? So then we just simulate the whole process. What we do is that we have int a equals nums dot length, and what we do is that for int length equals n, right? And it's greater than 0. Length minus. Then what we do is that for int I equals 0, right? And we should make sure this I plus 1, because we need to add I and I plus 1, right? Is smaller than length I plus plus. And we'll have nums I. Because that means that we need to mod 10, right? So equals nums I plus nums I plus 1 mod 10. And in the end, we return nums 0. Okay, change this to Python code. Should be similar. N equals length nums for length in range n 0. We can put 1, right? 0. There should be fine. And -1. And for I in range 0 to length, right? Length -1. Nums I equals nums I plus nums I plus 1 in the mod 10. And then in the end, we just return nums 0. Then and this is a function, right? So let's use this called L instead. Okay.